Hello kids, Unity is strength. English story. Let's start. Once upon a time, there was a group of doves. One day, they were flying in search of food. The king dove told them they should fly toward the forest. I think we should fly toward the forest. There will be lot of food for all of us. The smallest dove found some rice near a tree. They began to eat. Dove thinking, oh look, here is some rice, yummy. While the doves were busy eating, a hunter was watching them. The hunter had a gun and was thinking how he could catch all the doves at once. He threw a net on them and all of them were caught. Hunter thinking, today is my lucky day. I have caught so many doves. But the king dove was smart. He softly told the other bird to lift the net and start flying all together on the count of three. Dove count 1, 2, 3, go. Hunter told, hey, wait, I will get all of you. The doves lifted the net and flew together quickly. They found a place under a big banana tree where the king dove called his friend, the mouse, to help them. Dove thinking, please help us, the hunter will come any moment. Mouse told, do not worry, King Dove, I will quickly cut the net open. The mouse was very fast in cutting the net open. The dove thanked the mouse and quickly flew away. Dove says, we love you, mouse. Thank you, mouse. You are true friend, mouse. Thank you, mouse. You are the best mouse. स्टोरी को लाइक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलिए। थैंक यू।